Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then select the MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See, here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Okay. Then select the OS version. So I am on AlmaLinux 9.6. So select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 and Oracle Linux 9 x86 64-bit. Then once we selected above options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will extract and we will install these RPM packages. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the MySQL 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf. Then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. See, extraction completed, ls. See, here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. So install them. Sudo control sudo rpm -ivh -node deps, then star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, so control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. Okay, so start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is started. We took it. Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. But before connecting to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account or any user account. So first we have to run the secure installation to set the password for root account. But we can get the temporary root account password by going to more /etc/var log MySQL D .log grep password. So we have to run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, so first run sudo MySQL _secure installation. Now we have to provide this temporary password. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account because the existing password, this is expired. So remember this password. We have successfully set the password. Change, I don't want. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow, no. Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL Server. Control A, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. So whatever the password that we have set, we have to give here. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay. Now you can also get the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we got the same version. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Verify again. See, new database bank is there. Now switch to this database by using the command use keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Hit enter. Now verify. Show tables. See, here we have the table customer. Now insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work because we don't have a command like this. So we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user David, identified by password. Provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Now verify again. See, we have created David user. Now exit from this MySQL server, which is connected by using root account. Exit. Now connect to MySQL server with this new user, that is David MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Then provide the password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user by using the command select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So grant the privileges. Now exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. Process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Sudo systemctl Control L stop MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL service stopped. Okay, Q to quit. Control it. You can also verify the MySQL server MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL service stopped. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Q to quit. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on AlmaLinux OS. Okay, else these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux. Remove them to clear the space. rm start.rpm. Also ls. Also see here we have the one more file. Remove it. rm give MySQL, give the tab. ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on AlmaLinux OS 9.6, but the process is same on all AlmaLinux 9 versions. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.